In this video, I will tell you how to fix your ultrasonic humidifier CMTF91. The guy is right in front of you. This is the model for the CMTF91. So what you guys have to do is to ensure a proper setup, verify that the humidifier is plugged into a functioning outlet, confirm that the water tank is filled approximately and seated correctly on the base. Clean the humidifier regularly. Cleaning prevents mineral buildup and ensure efficient operations. Disassemble the unit and clean all components like I have shown you here. And including that transducer following the manufacturer's instruction, and then after all reset the unit. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.